I just got hit by a bus. This is why it's too early for this shit. Ooh. Ooh. It's still too bright and early for me, and I'm still tired as shit. Jackie, you tired?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. It's only 6:45. Nah, Chalk was wearing his mask because he went inside. I didn't go inside the store. Yeah, I didn't go inside the store, so I'm not wearing a mask. We're alone out here in the middle of nowhere to start off our mission of today. If you watched the last video, you should know what we're doing today. If you can see the title of the video, you know what we're doing today. Let me show you, give you a sneak peek, Jackie. Ooh, who remembers these? Throwback, extra throwback. No one's gonna remember these because I never showed that car on my channel. Those are actually the stock wheels off my old STI hatchback. RIP, special edition in case. This is the first stop of the mission. We're only, I think we're like 2 hours away now already. Yeah, maybe 2 hours, 15 minutes or so. We're supposed to be there like at 9, 6:45. We are getting close. We are all filled up. We're in Taco's truck right now, not gonna lie. We switched trucks, we're in Taco's truck. I'm driving because I like to, I like to drive. I don't mind driving, I like driving. That's what Taco, I'm used to driving 6 hours a day, 3 hours there, 3 hours back, no big deal. I figure, if we're taking his truck, I'll drive, I don't mind. But it's the first stop, and the last stop. We ain't gonna stop now until we get there. Catch y'all when we get there. This is dead ass one of the coolest stops I've ever stopped at. Look, my mask is getting in my way. Huh? Taco, see something. What do you mean? They creep you out or what? Yeah. Tell me that's not creepy. Taco's like, oh. You want a snack, young man? Maybe. This place is pretty cool. I've only been here once, like literally one time. And that was like 6 years ago when I went to Subi Fest. Sandwiches, do I want a sandwich? Maybe I do. Pastrami? Chicken? I don't know. I just want something light. Something like, ooh, what is this? More snacks. Lots of snacks. Graham crackers? Chocolate covered graham crackers? What is this? Almond bar? Oh, hell no. You lost me at almond. Ooh. Tempting, very, very tempting. I don't know. I just want something light. Something to hold me over for another, we're about, let's see, 40 minutes away. So I just need something light to hold me over. I just don't know what I want. This stuff, very, very tough. Look at, they even got the Cheeto shots here. Legendary, mysterious Cheeto shots. Sneak peek? Or is it that one? That one? Or that one? You got to wait and see. I'm staring at it right now, boys. I am staring at it.
So am I.
So am I. Is it time for the reveal? I guess
we're gonna make them like.
Let's go reveal. Let's get this fucking reveal done right now. as you guys can see, it is a 2005 STI. Ignore the missing fog light cover. Talk about that later. 2005 Subaru STI. Anyone that knows me really well will know that I've wanted one of these for a very long time. But I always told myself whenever I bought one, I don't want to have it. I don't want to have payments on this car. I'm done with car payments. So I didn't, no car payment. This was a one-time payment. Boom, done. Car's mine. Title's coming in the mail for me. And this is it. This is the fucking long-awaited STI that I wanted. It's a lot to talk about on this car. It's got a, let me just open the door. See this right here, these seats? These are JDM Type RA Spec C seats in the front. And of course you got the Spec C seats in the rear. There's a lot to talk about on this car. There's nothing done to it. It's completely stock. The only thing done to it, besides the interior, is coilovers. That's it. Completely stock car. It wasn't ever, no, it was never modified. We got it off an older guy a few hours away from where I live. Like, I actually got lucky on that. Like, it's crazy. It's fucking crazy. That's all I could say. Because finding cars like this, it's funny because I got my hatchback from an older guy too, and now I got a blow-by from an older guy. It's like, he took really, really good care of it. He had a badass 4-door GC sitting in his driveway too. Fucking clean, super clean. We asked him if he would sell it, but he's like, nah, too many people want this car. He's like, I'm not gonna sell it. But fuck, this STI is fucking mint. First fill up in the STI, 12 gallons, $47. Ugh. Before we end today's video about the STI, let me show y'all something. How in Target right now. Let me go to Target. I did one of those things where you go to Target for one thing. Like, let me get some toilet paper real quick, right? And of course, when you go to Target, you always gotta look at the electronics, like I do. Kitty cat, come over here, I see you. I'm petting him. Let's just say I spent $30 I didn't need to spend. Mario Kart Collector's Box. The main reason I got it, I'll show you why right now. Let me open this box real quick. Dog, look at this shit. A Mario Kart hat. I think I'll look like a fucking dweeb wearing this shit, but I'll probably wear it when I stream. We have LED desk light, which I am definitely going to utilize. It needs 3 AA batteries, not included of course, which I don't have either. What else we got? Oh, a Mario Kart turtle shell keychain. That's pretty fucking cool. And what's this? Oh, coasters, Mario Kart wheel coasters. Actually, those are pretty nice. And this is what I wanted right here. This is legit the main reason why I got this box. I really want to hang this banana from my mirror. It's a mirror accessory, look at it. I really just want to hang this banana from my mirror. That, and I got this spiny shell vinyl figure. If you play Mario Kart with me, I get hit by at least 2 or 3 blue shells every race. Every race, not every circuit, every race. So this called me. This is pretty cool. I can't say that it's not. I need to open this desk light because I want to see what this is. Dude, I straight up look like a fucking dweeb, but I think I can rock this hat. Oh yeah, buddy. Mario Kart. This is what the hat looks like. It's pretty fucking cool. Ignore that yawn. We are ending the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the car the car reveal. Hope you guys enjoyed the car reveal. If you guys guessed that car, let me know down below. We got plenty of Subaru content. We got cats falling in the background, knocking toilet paper down. I already have parts coming in for it. I already have the next video already made. We have a new head unit for it, because that stock one's gotta go. We put new wheels on it, temporary wheels. I have an exhaust coming. We have the OEM STI wing coming, which I kind of want to throw on, but the wingless looks kind of growing on me right now, because I already have the wheels on it. As you're watching this video, I already have the other wheels on it. And what else do we have coming? Nothing else yet, I think. Well, maybe a few other things. I just can't think of it right now. But for sure the wing, for sure the exhaust, head unit, and the wheel videos are all coming. Wheel and head unit video already done. I just gotta edit it and put it together. So if you're on the lookout for those, car content coming. We back, baby. We back in a Subaru too. Catch y'all later. Goodbye.